Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope it's all doing good. I hope it's all doing fine. So today I've made up my own pasta dish. I don't know what to call it yet. So we've got tagliatelle, Turkish sucuk, it needed to be used up, bacon ledons, however you pronounce it. We've got king prawns in there. Also I put in fresh onion, fresh chilli with a garlic butter. Plus like some milk. I didn't have any cream. Cheese. Now this is the garlic butter I've used. Guys, this tastes amazing just on its own. Don't walk, but run. Go to Herons and get yourself some. I've also done my garlic bread with this as well. Because it is like for garlic bread. Do you know what it is? You could use this as just normal. If you're a weirdo like me and you love your garlic. Just normal, but it's Irish. It's Irish. Herons. If they haven't got it in, ask them why and tell them to get it in. Just saying. Just saying. So, let's move this light's too bright. I'm trying to... I'm changing things around. I am. So, yeah. See the chili? Mmm. That was bloody hot. Wow. A prawn. You know what it is? I haven't fully set up properly yet. But I've got my ring light out. I have, as you can tell by the you can see it in my glasses. But I sat down and I thought, Jesus Christ, woman, you're one ugly bitch. Don't come for us. That's how I view myself. Because I was going to put on some makeup and I was like, even a quick 5 minutes isn't going to sort that out. I mean, look at this. I'm literally ready for freaking turkey season on. Ah, gobble gobble. But I need a change, right, don't I? I need a change. I need to get my teeth sorted as well. So I've done garlic bread on. I've got some brioche ones what needed to be used up. So it's just the garlic butter. She's taking away to Australia. I've put some cheese on the top. So I'm going to have a try of it on its own. Mmm. Oh. Oh. Have a bit of sucuk and all. The best things are when you just chuck everything together and it turns out absolutely amazing. Oh. Let's just quickly move that to the tails. So happy with this. Oh. 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 I'm in heaven. Absolute heaven. Quick, easy, simple dinner. Like literally this took us what, 15 minutes to make up. And that's it. 15 minutes on the hob. Little bit of this, a little bit of that. He's out, you see. And I don't know what time he's going to get home. I'm absolutely starving. I've only had toast today. And I said, "When you fancy a Chinese?" And he went, "I don't know what I'm doing." I went, "Right, fine." I went, "So, have you had your tea?" He went, "Aye." And I was like, "Right, what can we make? What can we make?" And I just went in the fridge. I was like, "Right, you pasta in the pan, cook it off. I've got brioche buns where I need to use up. There you go. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt, and we've got a good meal on. No. Talking about Irish, I don't know if you've seen her. I don't follow her. She's an Irish content creator. Not Mammy. Not the one that does the skits. about the boy and the daughter. Not her, but the other one. She's got horses and that. I think she's got horses. But anyway, she's got a very broad Irish accent. She has. And she was replying to a comment from the other day. She was replying to a comment and it obviously showed up on my For You page. And it was in his words, an English gentleman telling that they put subtitles on. I'm like, who the hell do you think you are? Like, who do you think you are telling somebody to put subtitles on? I'm English. I can understand that. Open your bloody ears. Do you know what I mean? English gentleman way off. I don't even know if he understands what the meaning of gentleman is. But yeah, I commented back and I said, I'm English and I can understand you perfectly fine. Which I can. It's just plain ignorance on his behalf. Or he was doing it for attention. Like, aye, he was doing it for attention. Probably enjoying it. Have I took a drink of this? Got orange juice. Well, tiny bit cup. Yes, I haven't found that comment for the shout out. I do apologise. My head's been all over the place. Has. I think it's Sam. Somebody called Sam. I think. But I've never seen them comment again, I think. Has anybody getting the new iPhone? Is it iPhone 15? Is it worth it? Because I seen somebody say that they are getting it. And the whole entire thing froze. And they couldn't turn it off. They couldn't move nothing. They had to wait for the battery to die. And that kind of put us off wanting to get it, because I thought, oh, you know, no, what if you've only got one phone? And that's your only form of contact. You know what I mean? Is that all my prawns gone? Is it? Yep, right. That's my prawn. Because I don't know anybody who's getting the new iPhone 15 at home, so it's obviously my contract's up now on my phone, and I just pay, I think it's £7 a month for my provider, like who I'm with, who I got the phone from. But I'm like, do I want to get a new phone? I don't know. Will I wait till after Christmas? I don't. I'm waiting until after Christmas, obviously. Not getting one now. I'm not. Got Christmas this. I mean, I know it's on contract, but still, I'd rather still wait till after Christmas. I would. Well, this is garlic heaven, and I'm in heaven. I am. The house thinks of garlic, but I really don't care. I don't. Quick, I've been talking for 20 minutes. Bloody hell. Didn't seem that long. I've got a question for parents out there. Like parents with kids in school. So I was watching Sev. She's currently just went on holiday to Turkey. And obviously it's her husband and her daughter who've went on this holiday. And from what she said, I'm like, I'm confused. So if you got a child in school, you know, you can hopefully answer is, if you take a child out of school, do you get fined? Obviously you get a fine. You do. Like if you're taking them on holiday, you get a fine. But Sev said that she'll get a £60 fine and her husband will get a £60 fine for taking the daughter out. Is it fine per parent or? I thought it was a fine per child, not per parent. If that's the case, that's an absolute joke. Do you know what I mean? Because, and somebody did comment and say to her, what about when the teachers are on strike? That is fair. You know, the teachers have went on strike, they've had to pull the kids out of school, they've had to take time off of work, potentially, and find alternative childcare for the kids when they should be at school. That's a valid point. It is. You know, that is a valid point. But to me, if that's how schools are doing it, that is wrong. Because it should be per child, not both parents being fined. It should be per child. That's how it should be, isn't it? Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Per child. Not both parents being fined £60 each. I mean, don't get it wrong. I'd rather pay the freaking £60 fine rather than pay the price, the extortionate prices what you're paying. You know, during when the kids are off school. Because I'd rather take the kid out of school. Especially if they're in primary school. And you know they're doing well. What home? Spend 2 weeks with the family, having fun, jumping in the pool, getting a bit of sun. Do you know what I mean? What home is it? There's actually no home. I don't say any home. I don't. Take your kids out to school. Go on holiday. Enjoy yourselves. You only live once. And your kids are only small ones. Enjoy them while you can. Do you know what I mean? And even these free child place packages, is it? I know I've said that wrong, but even then, they've got to be under, what age? 5? Is it? Under the age of 5? But as I say, even then you're still paying a fortune, aren't you? Still paying a fortune. I am absolutely stuffed, so this is going to be my last bite. Oh, I fully enjoyed that. Remember guys, pop on down to Herons, get yourself some of that. Well worth it. Well worth it. I would definitely recommend it. Because it is bloody lovely. He asked us a comment. Asked us before. Well, it wasn't before. I spotted it in the comments. Why do you cut, like, edit out after you've had a drink? 1, have you coughed, or 2, I've burped. I do try to edit them out as much as I can. So yeah, that's why you will often see when I edit out after I've took a drink, I've either coughed or I burped. Just like before, I've just done a massive burp. Well, I've thoroughly enjoyed that. I did. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.